Hello, this is Nurse Kathleen, and Happy New Year. Welcome to the channel, and I'm just going to go over a few things of what the channel's about and what I can do to help you. And stay to the end, and you will learn about giveaways and prizes and things that I'm going to do this year that will actually benefit you. So stay tuned. So this year we're going to be talking about restoring your health. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that bell if you don't want to miss any of the videos, because I'm going to be offering a lot of information. And actually I want your input too. What would you like to hear about? I need to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about me first, okay? So we got to get through the boring part, right? So I'm a registered nurse. I've been a registered nurse since 1994, and so like 30 years almost. And I'm also a licensed massage therapist since 2008, so about 17 years. I do have a wealth of information and experiences in life. I worked in intensive care units, cardiac, neurology, surgical. I've worked pre-op and post-op. I've done a little bit of a psych and also home health care, travel nursing. I did a lot of travel nursing and stuff like that. So I'm not saying this out of arrogance or pride or anything like that, but I do have a lot of information that I know I can help you with. And it's really out of just, I want people to be well. I know what it's like to be sick. I've been sick, and the recovery and what you have to go through. I've helped family members recover from near-death experiences, and other people, especially in the intensive care units. You know, it's pretty intense there. That's why they call it intensive care. But, you know, that's my background, and you know, I'd like to get to know you. What is it that you might have questions for? And you can always put them in the comments and, you know, let me know what you might want to have addressed. All right, so enough about me. I would like you to stay to the end if you could. I'm going to let you know about a giveaway for this very, very important mystery book. I don't even think there's any in print anymore. I have two, one for me personally, and I got my hands on another one. And I'm going to like give code words throughout each video, and then people can listen to the video. When they're done, they can go into the comment section, put done, and then the code word in that video. And I'm just going to place it in different areas, and I'm going to say this is the code word so that you'll know, and then you'll be entered into the giveaway. And yeah, I'm going to try to give away something with each video, and we'll go from there. Restoring your health. I think everybody needs restoration in some way or another, whether it was related to an injury. Maybe you have pain. Maybe you haven't been eating right. Maybe you've been taking care of others and not really taking care of yourself. As caregivers, we do that a lot. And so I'm going to be talking about different subjects, whether it's nutrition, supplementation if it's needed, pain management, self-massage, and anything that's out of my scope of practice or that I don't know. For example, labor and delivery and mother-baby, I don't know. But I could point you to the right people. So this is going to be an interactive channel where I give you information, you ask questions, and I can respond. Like I said, I am a registered nurse and also a licensed massage therapist. So I always have to say, consult your doctor. Did I roll my eyes? Sorry about that. There's good and bad in everything. We'll just say that, right? So that's what the channel is really going to be about. And we're going to look, you know, there's so many different like diets out there, and I'm going to do a video on that and how, or why I should say, some people lose weight and some people don't. It's based on something very specific, and I already have some videos about that as well. But I really wanted to just welcome you to the channel and tell you that I'm here to help. I really am. The more we stay healthy, which is really through prevention, and then maintaining that. And of course, things happen in life, happen along the way, and we have to recover from it. Or say there's a virus out there, which there are many viruses out there, or bacterial or fungal infections, and how to deal with that. And I look at it from both sides. Being an RN, I can look at it from the medical industry's point of view. And I also look at it holistically as a holistic practitioner, of how we can address it that way. I prefer holistic first. And I'm basing my information on my knowledge and my experiences throughout life, and also things that happened to me, for example, when I took antibiotics and they almost killed me. I'm not saying that medicine or medication doesn't have its place, but that's my last go-to because of all the side effects of it. And just complications and how it decreases our immune system and things like that. What we want to do is build our immune system, and we want to be healthy, and we want to, like I said, nutrition is key. It really is. Exercise, and that doesn't mean go out and bodybuild. You don't have to go out and weight build, even though weight-bearing exercises are very good for us, but it depends on what level you're at, and you don't want to start strenuous. And there's also different exercises based on actually your blood type that are more beneficial to you. But really, movement, range of motion, stretching are all so important. I've got a video coming up that basically it's for neck pain, and I have in my cervical spine, I have 2 herniated discs, not bulging, herniated. And they wanted to do surgery in 2020. I said, no way. And I can go out and run a chainsaw. So, it's just really taking care of yourself, not overdoing it, doing the right things prior to any of that. We're going to discuss things like intermittent fasting. Is that something that's good for you? Even though, there's all these fads out here, like I said, with different nutritional, and they call them diets, and fasting and things like that. Well, some people can't do that, and I'm one of them. And in the videos that are upcoming, I will tell you why. And you may be one of those people as well. And I want to add this too, is that we all put on our best appearances, right? And that's how it is. And then as we get to know people, the real us comes out, I should say. But, I'm not perfect. My family history comes from addiction and some mental health issues, and I'll get into that in other videos. I know how to address those issues, helped a lot of people overcome things, and I've overcome a lot in my life. And so, like I said, I'm here to help. I want your feedback. Let's get healthy. Let's not just have, like a baseline wellness. We don't want that. We want to be at our very, very best, the optimal health that we can be, mentally, especially, physically, psychologically, socially. It's cyclic. So when one thing is affected, it affects everything. It's kind of like the endocrine system. Say your thyroid, your TSH, you check that. And if that's off, other things are going to be off because the body tries to compensate for that. So there's a lot to talk about. If you haven't seen some of my other videos, please go back and watch them. There are some that are very specific to certain things. One is about anxiety. I'm going to do more videos on anxiety and how to help with anxiety, whether you're just like a baseline anxiety or say that you're going through an anxiety attack, how to help bring you out of that. There's some other videos too that I'm offering free wellness consultations, and those are worth $299, and that's a very fair price, but it's free. and you have to go in and watch the video and then go ahead and do what is stated in there to enter to win a wellness consultation. And that includes a questionnaire and an assessment and evaluation, and then a 45-minute one-on-one with me, either via Zoom or phone call, whatever you prefer. And everything is based, not based, but HIPAA guidelines are followed. So any information that I get is strictly confidential. I am an RN. I have to follow those guidelines, and I want to follow those guidelines. So I had mentioned earlier in the video about a giveaway, and I'm going to do a giveaway for this video as well. So if you can like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can see all the upcoming videos, and please go look at the videos that I've done already. I'm new at this, so I'm not used to being on camera, so it's a learning process, isn't it? Isn't everything a learning process? So the code word for this book is restore. So watch the video, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell, and then comment done or complete or whatever you want to say, but put the word in restore, R-E-S-T-O-R-E, and you will be in the drawing for giveaway for this book. So I think I pretty much have summed it up. If anybody has any questions, please put them in the comment section below. And I look forward to a year of restoring our health, learning prevention, learning how to take care of ourselves so that those doctor's visits aren't needed. Because I can tell you, in that industry, more people are getting out of it than are getting in. And eventually it'll probably end up for the elite only anyway. So let's learn to take care of ourselves and let's get healthy together, right? So come along for the ride, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, Happy New Year.